In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the ticket tool bot here in Discord so you can easily manage support requests. If you do find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials just like this. We would greatly appreciate it. First, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice, and up in the search bar here, go ahead and type in tickettool.xyz and hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is hit invite ticket tool, and then it's going to take you to a page like this. Hit continue to Discord, and then it's going to pop up with this option. Select your server here and then hit continue. Go ahead and authorize it to do all of this kind of stuff, and then open up Discord. And as you can see, ticket tool is going to be in your server. What you're going to want to do now is actually create a role for people who do handle tickets. So go to your server settings by clicking on your name up at the very top and then hit server settings. Then find this roles category here. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is click create role and then name this role something like support or staff. In this case, we're going to do staff. And then set the permissions to be whatever your team will need. At the end, make sure you obviously save your changes and then go to manage members here and click add members. Pretty much assign this role to any of your support team members, and then you can close out of this. Now what you're going to want to do is actually create the place where tickets are going to appear. Click on your server name again, and then click create channel and name it something like tickets, and then hit create. This is essentially where the ticket panel is going to be posted. Now to actually go ahead and set up the ticket system, go ahead and type in this channel -setup and then hit enter, and it's going to go ahead and load for a second. And you're going to see this option appear to click create panel. Obviously go ahead and click on that and then set the name for that panel. We're going to go ahead and call this support tickets and then hit submit. And then finally go ahead and hit save and continue. For the support team role, go ahead and choose the role that we created earlier. This is going to be that staff role. Hit save and continue again. For this ticket category section, go ahead and select the category that your thing is in. If you don't have a category, click on your name again. Go ahead and hit create category and type in tickets and then hit create. And just make sure that your ticket channel is in this category section. Then select it on here. Hit continue. For this transcript channel, go ahead and just choose the tickets option here. And for this panel channel, go ahead and make sure it's on tickets as well and then hit finish. Now when someone clicks the ticket button in the channel, a private ticket channel will be created under tickets visible only to the user and the support team. To actually close a ticket, just simply choose the close button inside of that individual ticket channel. But yeah, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for even more Discord tutorials like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.